Okay, 2001 Acura MDX. The back window fell on its own, and it's just kind of sitting in there. I am going to take apart the door and to see if I can fix it. All right, first flathead. Taking a flathead, and I'm going to try to pop this up. All right, so a Phillips screw in there. Put that aside. All right, there's
Pepper can hold this closed like this.
another one right here. So. All right, pry that off. And there's a Phillips screw. We just went to the beach and the car. So this, to release this, you slide this way, pops out. You can see this cable right here. Not the cable, but the bar, the unlock bar. That's what it looks like. So you push this forward and it should rotate around. Here. Let's get flathead again. There we go. So you slide it like that, and then it just lifts right up. And this control panel, you put your finger in there, pry it up. Okay. Got this up. Looks like the pin just fell. I'll look for it in a bit, but we'll go ahead and undo this. You push that back in. All right. Now all the screws are off, so now we pop the door open. So you just tug on it a little. There's that pin that fell earlier. Here, can you hold this? So we're gonna pop the door. Oh. All right. And this should lift right up. There. Speaker. Disconnect the speaker. Oh, it's a light. You twist the light. All right. So in order to see what's behind here, we'll go ahead and pull this. This just peels back. All right. Here, I need to see inside. Let's see what.
Just a window.
Yeah. Here. me see. All right, roll it down a little. Up. Down. Keep going down. Right, up. I don't see it doing anything. All right, roll it up a little. Down. All right, down a little. All right, up. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna zip tie this. All right, so this motor is broken. All the cables are broken, so I'm going to zip tie around. So there's a hole right here on the frame, door frame, and I'm going to do that window regulator hole right there. So I'm gonna use a different tool. Here, I'm gonna use black zip ties instead. All right, right there. And I'm going to extend 2 of them so they reach. Okay. All right. And then show the back. Here, and here again. Oop. So I have that one attached. Now we're going to find a different attachment point. I think I'm just going to put this around this. So we're just going to keep the window up for now until I can find a replacement. See aftermarket ones online for relatively cheap, $30, $35. So I'll just go ahead and buy a replacement. Okay. And as long as we're gentle with it and we don't roll down the window motor, I think we should be okay. All right, and the window's up. Okay. Okay, so I went ahead and removed these 2 top screws on the power window motor rail. So there's 2 screws right there, also 2 screws right there. You remove that, and then because the cable inside is broken, I'm able to lower the window. So what you do is you lower the window until it lines up with those 2 screws that are holding the window to the rail. So we're gonna go ahead and release those right now. Okay, got the window rail out, and then you just lower the window all the way down, and then it stops. It hits the, I guess the door frame, the door right there, and it stops on its own. And then you kind of just leave it there. Now measure up the new one to make sure everything kind of looks the same. make sure it fits. And then it looks a little different, but maybe because it's just rolled down. No, because the cable snapped, that's why. You can see. But it looks as good. It should be good to go. What do we need to transfer? Go ahead and transfer these 2 screws. What else? We can transfer this clip if we wanted. Okay, I'm gonna transfer this, and then that's it. Okay, we went ahead and transferred that little clip over to the new one. So this railings are ready to put on the down position. So we'll go ahead and attach the window to that first. Yeah, we'll attach the window to that bracket first, and then we'll do the other screws after.